Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Graph for authenticated UI and web dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Graph for authenticated UI and web dashboards, begin by setting up your application in the Azure portal. Go to the Azure portal and sign in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the left menu. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Provide a name for your application to identify it easily. Choose the appropriate supported account type based on your requirements. In the Redirect URI section, enter the URL where you want users to be redirected after authentication. Click Register to create the application. Once registered, note down the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID displayed on the overview page. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section. Click on New Client Secret to generate a client secret. Provide a description for the secret and set an expiration period. Once created, copy the generated client secret immediately as it will not be shown again. Now, move to the API Permissions section. Click Add a Permission and select Microsoft Graph. Choose Delegated Permissions for user-based authentication. Select the permissions required for your application, such as user, read or mail, read. After selecting the necessary permissions, click Add Permissions to finalize your choices. Next, you have the option to grant admin consent for the selected permissions if required. With your application set up, turn to your web application code. Install the required packages for authentication, such as the Microsoft Authentication Library. In your application, initialize the authentication process by specifying the client ID, scope, and redirect URI. Implement a login function to initiate the authentication request using the Microsoft. Handle the authentication response to retrieve the access token upon successful login. Use the access token in the authorization header to make requests to Microsoft Graph API. To access protected resources, ensure you check the validity of the access token before each API call. Implement logout functionality to clear the session and redirect users as needed. Test the entire flow to ensure the authentication process works smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.